Okay, this is, I'm checking to see on this TYT TH-350, and I'm having similar problems that I had with the first one. So this was a warranty replacement. I don't know, maybe if it's a bad batch. So serial number I'm throwing in there just to check and see if it's a common issue for anybody else out there. So there's a serial number, and I'm going to put the battery back in and then kind of show you the issue that's going on here. So I have just written my my channels. I've been using Chirp as well as the TYT software, and we even ran it with the RT systems. And so I'll try to keep the glare off here. So band works. I just have this set up for 220 right now, and so band is functional. That's all cool. And let me just go to this, top line that was selected, and if I try to change the channel on it, then it becomes just straight zeros all the way across, and band no longer works. The keypad isn't locked. The lock icon isn't there, but nothing works, and it's dead. So I will turn that off, turn it back on. Band works. Notice that, that first channel in there is doing something. If I hit VFO mode, you'll notice that this other, I don't know what channel that is. I haven't entered any of that in here, but once I hit exit, let's exit that. See if we can get down. All right. If I try to transmit. Okay, so transmitting, fair enough. That's one of the repeaters in the area here. Again, if I want to try changing, using the channel selector, it's dead, and again, nothing. Band doesn't work, menu doesn't work, exit doesn't do anything for me. I am noticing that the lock just showed up again, and so menu, and I can't get anything. I can't even unlock it at this point, so I'll turn it off. Turn it back on. Okay, so band works. Menu, I've got, that's working and everything like that. Maybe I can exit that. That's all cool. I don't know why, and once I hit, I presume this is VFO to memory and stuff like that, but once that happens, now we're totally locked and nothing's working. And notice I don't have the lock on here. I don't understand why just one key press is going to lock the whole darn thing up, and that's it. And that's how this is going here, and I can't even change band or anything. So that's kind of the, and this is the second unit in a row that this has been behaving this way. So I'm kind of stuck. If anybody else has recommendations, or maybe if anybody else has experienced this before, I was kind of hoping to try 220, or even use this for other, for 2 meters or 70 centimeters, but I'm getting nothing. And that's where we're at. Oh, look at that. We got a little something there, but I can't 223,500, and everything's just, I can't even exit. I can't So anyway, super frustrating. If anybody knows what's going on, give me a yell.